Hello, hi, good evening.
Me too.
Yes, welcome to my class. By the way, can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
That's great. All right, by the way, my name is Eric. What's your name?
My name is Atsunori.
Hatsunori, nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you.
How
Thank you very
are
much.
you? How are you?
Uh, Today, so I just finished my job.
Oh, really? Until now?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's feeling good. I'm
Oh,
feeling good.
are you
Yeah.
just working from home?
Yes, I'm working at home.
Oh, yes,
Mm.
that's nice. That's nice. Remotely, just like me. I'm also working from home. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
more convenient, right?
Yes, more convenient, more relaxed.
More
Yeah.
relaxed, yes.
Mm.
And you are saving a lot of time,
Yes,
commuting,
to
right?
commute. Yeah,
Yes, I like it.
that's right. Mm.
Okay, I can see here you chose Business English, weekly 11
Yes.
to 1 week 10 of study
Yeah,
story English, right?
that's right.
Okay, so today we're going to practice five pickup key phrases. All right,
Mm. Yes.
so let's go to the next page. The first activity is substitution. Okay,
Okay.
all right, so this is the first one. You can see the key
Mm.
phrase at the top. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so under that we have an example sentence using the key
Mm.
phrase. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so the first pickup key phrase is which A are selling the most at B? hmm
Which A are selling the most at B?
Okay, so let me read also. I will read the example, then you will repeat
Mm.
it aloud as well, okay?
Okay,
All right.
okay.
Which computers are selling the most at this store? Mhm.
Which computers are selling the most at this store?
That's right. Okay, now can you see the
Mm.
exercises number one and two?
Okay. Which
Okay,
models are selling the most at this the store?
yes, that's
At
right.
stores. Yeah.
Yeah, how about exercise number two?
Number two. Which soft drinks are selling the most at this restaurant?
That's correct. Very good.
Mm.
That's nice. Okay, let me type it in the chat box. Okay,
Okay.
yes, for your future reference. Okay.
Mm.
All right. By the way, am I speaking too fast or just okay? Just okay.
Okay for me.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's have the next. Let's go on to the next one. So this is the second key phrase.
Mm.
Please swipe your credit card. A.
Please swipe your credit card. A.
All right, so let me read the example and please read it aloud after me, okay?
Okay.
Please swipe your credit card here.
Please swipe your credit card here.
All right, very good. Okay,
Mm.
next, please make a complete sentence using the exercise words with the key phrase. Please start with number one.
Okay. Please swipe your credit card through this reader.
All right, very good. How about exercise number two?
Number two. Please swipe your credit card in the terminal.
In the terminal, that's perfect. Very good. Yes. Okay. Let me type it again in the chat box for your reference. All right, good job. So now let's have the third key
Third key
phrase.
phrase.
Yes,
Mm.
I have a bad headache.
I have a bad headache.
Yes, now let's check the example. So I'm going to read the instructor part. Please read the student part, okay?
Okay.
Are you feeling okay?
I have a bad headache.
Yes, very good. Now let's have the exercise, okay?
Mm.
Exercise section. So please answer with a complete sentence using the key
Okay.
phrase. What's the matter?
I have a bad headache.
You don't look so good.
I have a bad headache.
Very good. All right. Now let's go on to the next one. This time we have the fourth key
Fourth
phrase.
key phrase.
No, thank
Okay.
you. I'm just looking. Mhm.
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
All right. I will read again the instructor part and please
Mm.
read the student part.
Student. Okay.
Hello, would you like to try something on?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay, and let's do the exercise section. So,
Yeah.
all right, let me again read the instructor part and please read the student part. May I help you find something?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay, and exercise number 2. Would you like to see how this works?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay, just looking.
Just looking.
Just like when we go to the shopping mall, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes
Mm.
I'm just looking.
Yeah.
You want to try this? You know, the salesperson would say.
Yeah. Yeah. I have experienced a lot
Yeah,
in this
yes, yes.
situation. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Me too.
Mm.
Okay, so now let's go on to the next one. This time we have the fifth key phrase. All right.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about A.
I don't know anything about A.
Okay, let's check the example. Okay, let me read that and please repeat after me. I don't know anything about that.
I don't know anything about that.
Okay, very good. Now, please try exercise number 1.
I don't know anything about fishing.
Very good. How about exercise number 2?
I don't know anything about website design.
Yeah, me too. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's difficult. Website design.
Yeah, me too.
All right.
Mm.
Okay. So now we are going to. By the way, do you
Hello.
have any questions so far?
So far,
You have any questions?
I don't think so. I
All,
have no question.
all right. So let's continue. Let's move to the next one. Hold on a minute. Right. Next, we're going to do a role play using the 5 key phrases in a conversation. This is exciting.
Yeah.
All right. So we have a situation for the role play. Could you please read the
Yeah.
situation aloud?
Okay. You are a hotel desk clerk. You are checking in a guest, a jewelry salesperson who often stays at your hotel.
Okay. All right. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Is it clear?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, it's clear. Yeah.
That's okay. So now let's go on to the next part. So please look at role play number 1. So we will try the role play together now. Are you ready?
Play. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So let's start. Um, I'm back again. Do you have my room ready?
Yes, of course. Please swipe your credit card here. This is your third visit here this month.
Yes, business is very good. The jewelry store at the new outlet mall has placed a lot of orders.
Oh, really? What kind of jewelry are selling the most at the outlet mall?
Platinum rings are really popular. Here, I have some samples. Stylish, don't you think?
I guess so. I don't know anything about jewelry. This one is nice.
Do you like this one? Take it. It's a sample. So I can sell it anyway.
No, thank you. I'm just looking. I don't wear rings.
No, okay. Hey, you look a little sick. Are you feeling okay?
Oh, I'm not sick. I have a bad headache.
All right. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, good job for that. Uh, by the way, we pronounce this one or read this as jewelry.
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 Yeah. So instead of
Is this correct?
yeah. So instead of jewelry, we read it as jewelry. Just 2 syllables.
Jewelry.
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 Okay.
Jewelry.
Yeah, 2 syllables only. Jewelry.
Jewelry.
That's it. Very good.
Thank you. Jewelry.
Yes. Now let's go on to the next page. So please look at role play number 2. Okay, so we will practice the role play again. This time, you're going to fill in the blanks using this week's key phrases. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, so I will start. I'm back again. Do you have my room ready?
Yes, of course. Please swipe your credit card here. This is your third visit here this month.
Yes, business is very good. The jewelry store at the new outlet mall has placed a lot of orders.
Oh, really? Which kind of jewelry are selling the most at the outlet mall?
Platinum rings are really popular here. Oh, popular. Here, I have some samples. Stylish, don't you think?
I guess so. I don't know anything about jewelry. One is nice.
Do you like this one? Take it. It's a sample. So I can't sell it anyway.
No, thank you. I'm just looking. I don't wear rings.
No? Okay. Hey, you look a little sick. Are you feeling okay?
Oh, I'm not sick. I had a bad headache.
Alright, okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go on to the next page. Now we are going to
Next
try it one more time.
Mm.
So please look at role play number 3. So again, we will practice the role play and you will fill in some more blanks
More blanks.
using these week's key phrases. Just a little more of a challenge for you, okay? Are you ready?
Okay. Okay.
All
I'm
right,
ready.
so I will start. Hello, I'm back again. Do you have my room ready?
Yes, of course. Please swipe your credit card here. This is your third visit here this month.
Yes, this is very good. The jewelry store at the new outlet mall has placed a lot of orders.
Oh, really? Which kind of jewelry are selling the most at the outlet mall?
Platinum rings are very popular. Here, I have some samples. Stylish, don't you think?
I guess so. I don't know anything about jewelry. One is nice.
Do you like this one? Take it. It's a sample, so I can sell it anyway.
No, thank you. I'm just looking. I don't wear rings.
No?